Hi, in this particular video we'll see how you can install Python on your Windows or Mac machine. So as you can see, I have opened up python.org, and you can go to the download section and you'll be able to see two versions of Python, Python 3.6.4 and Python 2.7.14. So for you can choose any other versions. Most probably if you're starting on Python and trying to learn it, it will be better if you use the recent version, which is 3.6.4. And for any other reasons, if you want to use 2.7, you can certainly download and use it. As you can see, I'm on the Mac machine and it has automatically detected Mac OS, and then it's giving me the options accordingly. But I can certainly go to the full list. Here you see view the full list of downloads, and you'll be able to see the archive for both Windows, Linux, and Mac machines. You'll be able to see all the options that you can. These are all the Windows options for 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems for different Python versions. You can download any one of these, the executable installer, and install it on your Windows machine. On Mac, you can certainly use Homebrew, or use a command like this, brew install Python 3, like that, to install Python on your Mac machine. As you can see, just a second. Yeah, so on my machine, both Python 2.7 and Python 3.6, both are installed. So it's pretty much simple. Generally, Mac machines come pre-packaged with Python 2.7.10. so if you have a Mac machine, you would already have Python installed in it. If you want, you can use that. And along the lines, if you want to install Python 3 as well, you can also do that. So that's all for this video. We'll be looking into some exciting stuff with Python in upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.